welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the driveway, and we're going to welcome in my new service truck. It's 2019 Chevy Express 3500. It's got a Spartan body on it, and we're going to try a new product. As you can tell, she's pretty dirty. A lot of brake dust and just a lot of work, grime. So I've been looking on the market right now for a really good product that I can use for my foam cannon, and I found something I think will work for us. It's Chemical Guys, their new SnowFoam auto wash. Comes in a couple different scents. You can get it in a 2-pack off Amazon. Link will be in the description below. So basically, we're going to put you guys on a time lapse. I'm going to fire up the old Sun Joe, and we're going to get started. So hopefully it comes out all right. I'm basically going to do this just strictly with the pressure washer, strictly with the foam cannon, and for the hard to reach areas, got a nice little broom that it's got 3 different nozzles on it, and it's also kind of a bristle brush as well. See how it turns out. All right, so the directions say shake well, add 1 to 2 ounces to your foam cannon. Well, I mean, directions are great and all, but sometimes you got to improvise. So, you know, we're going to go ahead and say about like right there, and my foam cannon should work. Let's go ahead and add some water and get started. Alright guys, so we've seen the finished product. As you can tell, it comes out pretty good. What really amazed me for the most part is the fact that it broke up all that grime with that little bit of a brush that I used. Not much. I'm not trying to kill myself. It's Sunday, you know. So leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? Did it come out pretty good? Was it worth the money, worth the time? You tell me. Like I said, I like doing these reviews. Detailing is kind of my thing I like to do aside from working on, you know, trucks and stuff like that. But like I said, everything will be in the description below for the new product that we just tried, the Chemical Guys. So do what you guys always do. Like, share, subscribe, pump the world, and I'll see you in the next one.